Hi everyone, if you don't already know me, my name is Vesna. Welcome back to my embroidery and DIY channel. My wish is to teach you how to embroider and how to add embroidery to everyday life. If you want more content like this, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! Do you have beautiful felt slippers like I do? Let's decorate them together. I will show you and share my tips and tricks that I have learned while I was embroidering them. Hi, here I just wanted to show you my latest project. I am decorating my slippers. I'm using Runo list from Pergam and I really love this color. This is a little bit more tricky project, so I just decided to show you how I'm working on it. There is a lot of turning around, so please bear with me. At first I had several knots, but now I figured out a way how to get rid of the knots on the bottom part. So let me just show you. As you can see, I will cover the whole pattern with stitches, so I just do it like this. Sorry, I will just have to. We will just make a knot like this, and we will later snip it off this knot. I will make 2 or 3 small stitches like this. And I don't like this, so I will make we'll make 2 or 3 small stitches and then we'll snip off the knot, and in this way we will get rid of the knots on the back side. Embroidering the slippers takes a little bit of time. This is not like a super fast project, but since I plan to wear these slippers for quite some time, I will love wearing them every time that I and these small stitches are like stop stitches. So my thread, okay, let me just start. I will cut a little later. This is also one stitch project. I will be just using the chain stitch. I am eyeballing my chain stitches. They are approximately 5 millimeters to 1 centimeter long. It depends on the curves. I make shorter stitches, and here I can make longer chain stitches. And you be careful about the tension. You mustn't pull too hard, because then this is felt and you want to have the same height of felt and the stitches. You don't want to pressure your felt. this. And now I will snip it off. And then I will work my way around. And because you can see in which direction you embroider the chain stitch, I go from right to left, and then I finish here, and then I start again from right to left, so I have all of my chain stitches in the same directions. And as you can see here, sometimes I finish some part with one chain stitch, and then in here I just start again from right and just fill this small area, and then I go to the left. Or probably in here I will just start here, and then I will just work one row of chain stitch because I will fill out the pattern. And let's say in this part I will start from my right again, and then I will gently, with here I will work with very small chain stitches, and then I will make a little bit longer to fill this small area. And the tiniest area I just work with one row of chain stitch, and I don't go around, so I fill out the whole area. Here I just did 2 small rows of chain stitches to fill out the pattern. And this project really requires a lot of turning around, but as I say, it is very well worth it because I will be wearing them for quite some time, and they will be pretty and shiny. That's why I love it. And please take your time when you pull the thread. Don't be in a hurry. This is not meant to be a super fast project. Just enjoy the process of decorating the slippers that you will be wearing for quite some time. And I will be honest, my favorite way to decorate the slippers is to be working on my sofa. I find this is the most comfortable position for me. As you can see, my 2 stop stitches won't be seen because I will cover them with chain stitches. And I also wanted to say, in case that you get some empty spots, you just check out in which direction you're working the chain stitches and just fill the blank spots in the same direction with the chain stitches, and they will blend in beautifully. And here in the curves we need to make very short stitches. And so here I will just finish at the end of my pattern. And then I just continue a little bit higher, as you can see, and then I just go around the pattern again and around the pattern again. I have a little bit short thread here, so I will just show you how I finish off. I do in a similar way that I have begun. I just go between the stitches and I make short here I will first look what happened here. It's a little bit of empty space, so this I just do at the end. I just add one more chain stitch to fill the empty space, and it blends in beautifully. Here we go. I just finish the chain stitch, and then I actually go around the borderline that I made, and I just make 2 or 3 short stitches. As you can see that they are hiding and are not seen, and then I just snip it off, and in this way you will have no knots on the outside or the inside in your slippers. If you like this tutorial and want more, please like and subscribe, and if you wish you can if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments and I will reply as soon as I can. Thank you.